When I make this salad here at home, nobody cares about meat. Let's start by adding 7 chopped lettuce leaves onto a platter. One tomato, also chopped. One grated carrot. $100 grams of ham, grated or chopped into smaller cubes. Once that's done, just reserve the sideline. In a container, add 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of curd, one tablespoon of oil, squeeze half lemon, 1 teaspoon of salt, chives to taste, black pepper to taste, and 170 grams of natural yogurt. Now just mix everything very well. That's good enough. Now just throw it over our salad. And with the help of your spatula, spread it until it covers it. To give that special touch, add straw potatoes, and the amount is to taste. If you want, you can refrigerate it for 30 minutes. After that time, just cut and our salad is ready. Super delicious. You can't resist. It looks amazing. Do it at your house that I'm sure everyone will love. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the Pooh in the Kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.